Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2021 Hot Wheels from the HW Dream Garage series. This is the Nash. The 2020 or the 2019 Hot Wheels Legends Tour Champion. Number 1 out of 250 for 2021. New for 2021 model, the very first edition. And this one is on a package, on the mint package. This is from the B case. It originally came out of the A case, but it was carried over. Hot Wheels Legends Tour Champion. The 2019 Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner rose over thousands of impressive competitors by best representing the true garage spirit of teamwork, innovation, and creativity. It was born in 2019 El Segundo, California, and the designers are Greg Silzillo and Dave Ford. And the most top epic Hot Wheels vehicles ever made all together in one rocking collection is the HW Dream Garage series. I have the 2022 color of this one that I opened up in a previous unboxing, and I have a gray one for 2022 that I have not opened yet. That's coming in a future episode. Let's just get this one open and see what it looks like. The first car for 2021, the Nash. Wow. And this one... Ooh. Oh, we're good. The wheels spin fine. And look at the wheels. They're 5-spoke wheels, but they kind of like stick out from the rest of the car. Like, you see how they stick out? They're all skinny. And it's got like a crooked engine kind of. And it's got rust spots. And cyan wheels. I think it's based off a Nash Metropolitan. It says the Nash right there. And black, silver, and white striping. Cyan wheels. A white top. That's awesome. And look at the mud splatters or mud or something on there. Mud or rust or something. That's like an old 50s vehicle. Here's the front. Chrome grille and lights. And a chrome exposed engine. There's a top view. There's the other side. The painted door handle as well. Chrome interior. Driving is on the opposite side of the American driving. And here's the back, and very nice. 2019 Legends Tour Champion, number 1 out of 250, so the first car for 2021. I wasn't able to score this one on the shelf at like when it was out at the stores, and I did see it, but I didn't think it was that important. Now I really needed it, so I just headed over to my hobby shop, bought it for a couple bucks, and here we are, a white base, and that's really all I have to say about it. And while we're at it, which one do you like more? The cyan one or the purple one? I'll say I have to like this teal one more because it is the first edition and the most exact depiction of the actual car that won the Legends Tour. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.